It's absolutely not sanitary to have a bathroom like that. Come on now, people. Learn to run a business. Oh, shit! Oh, my God. That scared the crap out of me. Holy fuck. I don't know why it scared me so much. I, like, looked at it, and I was like, what is that? And it's... I don't know why that scared me so much. Oh, God. I get scared so easily. It's fucking annoying. All because of my sister. All because of my goddamn sister. Alright, what's up here then? Swear to God, if it's another goddamn fucking bug. Just fucking in this corner. Oh, what the? Alright, no bug. No bug. Ooh. Ooh, cocktails? Absolutely. I'll take that. That might be good. Might be good. Can I go on this? And nah, I don't feel like it. There's a lot of doors here. What's in here? What's that? Bottle caps? I'll take those. Was that door open last time? Why don't I remember that door being open? Oh, fuck. Alright. Ooh, calm down, calm down. Let's not go crazy. Calm down. This is very... Takes a very skilled person to pick an advanced lock. You fucker! It was right there. Fuck you. There we go. I mean, it's basically the same thing. What's even in here? What was the point of me picking this? What's that? Do you want money? Paintbrush? Ooh. Circuit board? Why do I don't know, I feel... What the hell? I don't know why I felt like I needed that. Fucking goddamn bugs. They're scaring me now. What in the hell is down here? The fuck is that? An oven? Or not an oven, a... Never mind. I don't know where I was going with that. Oh shit, Mr. Handy. Oh dude, Mr. Handy, what up? So these guys are like out of commission? Requires terminal. Duct tape, I'll take the duct tape. Armor workbench. I'm good. Open door, please. Open them doors. Oh, you fucking piece of shit, I heard you too. Did I just miss? Fucking nasty ass bug. Giving me that AIDS. Wonder glue. Military grade circuit board. Like that. I feel like I'm gonna need this stuff. Ooh, aluminum can? You know what the fuck you can do with an aluminum tube? Aluminum! Any Dave Chappelle fans? Then they'll get that. If not, then I look like a fucking dumbass. What the fuck? That's disgusting. Where did I... Okay, no, I came... Oh, fuck it, I'm getting out of here. I'm out. I'm out. Peace, bitches. Actually, wait. Gotta see what's in here. If it's a lockpick door, come on now, it's gotta be something, right? Ooh, calm down, calm down, calm down. Oh. There we go. Easy. Level up. Let's see what we got here. What did I want to get? No, lead belly. I have to be level 18 for that. New? Shoot first, kill first. No. Buying and selling at vendors are better. Maybe. Fortune finder. Fucking. Is that goddamn like Bugs Bunny? I got this, really. Heavy guns. That might be good. 50% less likely to get addicted. I might get that. I don't want to get addicted to no drugs. Thank you very much. Oh, what's that? Last time I opened one of these, they fucking blew up on my ass. Oh. Oh, you know there's something gross in there. Like, what the fuck? Oh, stim packs. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to leave this place now. I don't want to jump down there. Wait, was I already down there? I think I was already... Yeah, I was already down there. So let's go back. This does not tell me how long I've been recording. Usually I check it. So I'll just end it, I guess, whenever. Because now I have no idea how long I will be recording. Which, I might end it. So I'm supposed to get a text from one of the guys, one of my friends that I'm playing Pro Am with, if he gets on. So I might end it then. I don't know how long that's going to be. Hopefully I can get some good recording time before we play. If you guys don't know about the Road to the Finals Pro Am, we're trying to get a team together. Well, the preseason starts now. I don't know if we're supposed to play it to qualify. But our 5th guy is not on. And we have to wait for him because we don't have his, you know, like phone number or anything. So we're waiting for him to get on so we can play. And hopefully compete for that 250K. And if we do, I really want to get some games recorded because it'd be, I think... The fuck is going on? What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, every fucking time I get fucking blown out by something, my neighbor's gonna be like, what the fuck is this psychopath doing? The fuck just... Okay, I'm gonna try that again, but this time I'm going to look of what the hell I'm walking into. I was just rambling on about something. Oh. Fuck was that? There's like a giant car at the bottom of the screen, but what the fuck does that mean? Does that mean, halt, you're gonna get blown to fucking shit? Okay. Okay. Okay, what? Tucker Memorial Bridge. Was it that? Oh! 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 Oh my fucking... What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? What? I'm getting radiation. Run! Fuck me. Okay, well, I don't know how much of a shortcut that was. I have the lead building. Maybe I could just gone in the water? Or not lead. Actually, no, something else. Where I can just swim in water and it won't give me radiation, I think. Something like that. I should just fucking done that instead of getting my ass blown up. Wait, what was that? Oh, it's my little cursor. Thought there was like something next to me. I still never found out what happened to my dog. Rip, I guess, because he fucking disappeared. Oh, what the hell? I sent him back. Hey, you don't. No. None of that. What the fuck? No. See, none of this. None of this. Like, what is this? What is this? Fuck are you? The fuck are you? What the fuck are you? You're not dying. Ew. Oh, you're spitting on me. Oh my goodness. Oh, get the fuck away from me. Oh, you're a fucking nasty little thing, aren't you? You're a disgusting little bastard. Give me that shit. What the fuck that was. I'm not a fan of bugs, and there's a shit ton of them in this game. I hate goddamn bugs. There's a fucking another nasty little freak in there. There's a nasty bastard. I see him in there. I saw that little asshole go around. There he is, little nasty little fucker. Ugh, look at him. Oh, there's a fuck that. I'm out of here. Fuck you. The hell was that? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that was gross. It's fucking blue. Thanks for all that radiation, you dick. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, there's one behind me and I just missed. You are a nasty little fuck. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh yeah, it tastes so good. Oh, I fucking died? I actually didn't know I was that close to death. Fuck! You're a nasty little bug. Fuck me, dude. These bugs are everywhere. Oh! Adhesive is rare and used to create nearly every mod. That's cool. Am I back at the use? No, where the fuck am I? Oh, okay, I'm past this. Did I use up ammo? Don't tell me I used up ammo. Don't make me kill somebody. I don't think it did. Okay. Fuck that. I'm going this way. Fuck those disgusting freaky mosquitoes that spew blood at you. Oh my god. How the fuck am I gonna... I guess I could just have to go take the long way. Cause I ain't fucking with those things. They're broken. Oh, fucking nasty bugs. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. What the fuck happened here? Potted meat? Yeah, sure, why not? What? I'll take the meat and the hide. Oh, bottle caps. 70 bottle caps? Dirty? Oh, I love me some dirty water. Delicious fucking dirty water. What is this? Why is there a... Can I get in here? Oh. I can't get in here. Oh, gently. Just scoot it on over just a little bit more. Oh, just a tad bit more. Just a little winky. Fuck yourself. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what? What do they got in here? Vault-Tec lab coat. I'll take this. I'll take it all. I'll wear a dress. What the fuck was the point? Can I sleep? Can I sleep with the skelly? A straw pill. Yep. Sick. Fucking sick. No, but seriously, what is the point of that? Just to troll you? Got a goddamn dress out of it. What the fuck is that thing? Legendary Super Mutant Skirmish. I'm gonna be completely honest. Alright. We're gonna quick save here. We're gonna also hard save. No.